Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. First, I would like to thank Banggood for providing this review unit. This is the Remax headphones with active noise cancelling technology. Anyway, before we proceed, the earbuds cost around $100. If you're interested in purchasing one, then the link is provided below. If there is any coupons that will be provided after this video, then I will also link that below in the description box. Just check the description below to see all that. At the front of the package, we have some information about the headphones, like model number, which is RB-600HB, ANC, and so on. One of the sides, we have the branding as well as the model number and the headphone design. The other side, we have the model number and wireless headphone writing. At the bottom, there's also some info. At the back of the package, we see detailed information about the headphone. Unboxing is pretty easy. To be honest, the packaging shows premium and high quality product. But let's dig deeper and see what accessories are provided with this product. The first thing you will see is the headphones. They are actually white and brown with silver accents, but another color could be black. We will put that aside and keep exploring. We are provided with a carrying case, which is awesome in terms of build quality, and it has the Remax original branding at the front. We get a micro USB cable for charging the headphones. I wish it were Type-C though, but I can't complain. A 3.5mm jack, both end, is also included if you want to use the headphone as a wired headphone. Finally, we do get a user manual, which we usually don't read. Now let's look at the headphones. The overall build quality is amazing, plastic build, but good quality plastic. The extension band is metal. We have soft sponge on the ear cups as well as the inner headband, which should make it possible for long usage. On the right ear cup, we have the 3.5mm port as well as the active noise cancellation switch. The other side, apart from the Remax branding, we have the power and the media buttons. The charging port is also placed in the same ear cup. There's an LED indicator and the headphone is equipped with a voice assistant. Pairing is pretty simple, and just like other headphones, holding the power button from off state enters pairing mode. On your phone, the RB-600HB connects to the headphones. How about the sound quality? The overall sound quality is just amazing. It does justice to mids, highs and lows. They're amazing for any kind of genre. The active noise cancellation works great. I actually did give them to some of my friends to test them out, and they were amazed by these headphones. I will definitely recommend them to anyone who needs active noise cancellation headphones for a cheaper price. They are actually rated at 12 hours of usage. So if you have the cash, then go for them. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.